tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, 1 tablespoon of sand, 3 clear glasses, 3 glasses of water. First, label the glass as mixture A, mixture B, and mixture C. Second, for mixture A, mix sugar and water in the glass and let it settle for 2 minutes. For mixture B, mix the sand and water in the glass and let it settle for 2 minutes. For mixture C, mix the sand and water in the glass and let it settle for 2 minutes. Bakit ganito? Magkaparehas ang mixture C at mixture B.
Tamang-tama! Inumin na lang natin ang gatas! Dahil may problema ang procedure, inassume na lang natin that A is the mixture of sugar and water. At ang letter B ay ang mixture ng powdered milk at saka tubig. Mixture C remains to be the sand and the water. This experiment, you will be able to distinguish the 3 types or 3 kinds of mixtures, namely solution, colloid, and suspension. Each mixture has different properties. Can you name some characteristics of its mixture? Sa ating minamahal na mga magulang, guro, mga kabataan, at kung sino paman, intindihin na lang natin ang mga taong nagsikap upang makagawa ng module. Huwag na nating i-bash ang mga ito bagkus tulungan natin sila upang maitama ang mga pagkakamali. Pero kailangan ibalik natin sa mga kabataan ang mga itinamang pagkakamali.